Hello travelers, this is 4 ways you can travel cheaply and healthily across the world. Number 1, avoid eating out at restaurants. Look, if you can cook at a hostel or you can cook a healthy meal, then you're on the right track. Sometimes hostels even offer a cheap breakfast with a variety of nutritional food. Number 2, explore nature. Generally, hiking in nature is free and also one of the best and most rewarding experiences. In expensive countries like Scotland, Norway, and Sweden, you can camp pretty much anywhere in their national parks for free. I found camping in Scotland an absolutely amazing experience, which was great for the soul, body, and mind. Just remember to bring smidge, because the midges suck. Number 3, don't eat in tourist hotspots. Sometimes central squares can be incredibly expensive, and you might find some cheaper and healthier options off the beaten path. Like when I visited Marangowo, Poland, and I found a small restaurant that served fresh and healthy Polish soup. And number 4, avoid alcohol. Partying can be fun, but it's expensive and it can negatively impact your mental health. It's okay to drink, but maybe try not to get into the habit of drinking every day. I found that some of the best experiences are when I'm sober. These are just some tips of mine. How do you feel healthy when you travel?